मैं क्या करूं?
What shall I do? What shall I do?
मेरे पास एक गुल्लक है.
I have a piggy bank. I have a piggy bank.
ये किस्मत में लिखा था.
It was written in fate. It was written in fate.
मेरे पास एक सबूत है.
I have a proof. I have a proof.
मेरी दाएं आंख फड़क रही है.
My right eye is twitching. My right eye is twitching.
वो छत पर है.
He is on the roof. He is on the roof.
वो आने वाला है.
He is about to come. He is about to come.
तुम दौड़ सकते हो.
You can run. You can run.
अगर हो सके तो मुझे कॉल करें.
Call me if possible. Call me if possible.
अपना सामान बांधें.
Pack your stuff. Pack your stuff.
इसे बुलाओ.
Call him up. Call him up.
मैं अंग्रेजी लिख सकता हूँ.
I can write English. I can write English.
हमारे पास बहुत वक्त है.
We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time.
मेरे कपड़े फटे हुए हैं.
My clothes are worn out. My clothes are worn out.
गड़बड़ करना बंद करो.
Stop fussing. Stop fussing.
अपने आप को कुछ वक्त दे.
Give some time to yourself. Give some time to yourself.
जो भी हो रहा है होने दो.
Let happen whatever is going on. Let happen whatever is going on.
आप जो चाहिए ले सकते हैं.
You can take whatever you need. You can take whatever you need.
मुझे दाल बहुत पसंद है.
I love lentils. I love lentils.